Every day I imagine a future where I can be with you. In my hand is a pen, I'll write a poem of me and you. The ink flows down into a dark bottle. Just move your hand right away into his heart. But in this world of infinite choices, what will it take just to find that special day? What will it take just to find that special day? Have I found everybody a fun assignment to do today? When you're here, everything that we do is fun for them anyway. When I can't even read my own feelings, what good are words when a smile says it all? And if this world won't write me an ending, what will it take just for me to have it all? Does my pen only write bitter words for those who are dear to me? Is it love if I take you, or is it love if I set you free? The ink flows down into a dark bottle. What can I write? Never do reality. If I can't hear the sound of your heartbeat, what do you call love in your reality? What in your reality? If I don't know how to love you, I'll leave you be.